Hypnosis does is it allows us to speak to the part of your mind that is where all your programming is. It is bypassing your conscious mind, getting into your subconscious mind, and that is the part of you where you believe alcohol is needed in your life. That's the part of you where you think, okay, when I'm stressed, my solution equals alcohol. When I am going out with friends or coworkers for happy hour, alcohol needs to be a part of that. All these programs that you have running back there, what we can do with hypnosis is take those programs out. And the simplest way that I like to explain it to people is like, think of it like you got buttons pressed in your brain, right? This button is pressed that says, God, alcohol is everywhere. It's in society. I can't imagine my life without it. It's been there on my bad days. It's been there on my good days. That button is pressed in your mind, and it is difficult to unpress it. But with hypnosis and reprogramming your subconscious mind, what we can do is unpress that button, depress it so that it's not running anymore.